Until next time, remember, be unapologetically selfish in the pursuit of happiness. Peace and love. I don't even remember how I end the videos. Hey guys, what's up? It is Erika. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about my eyebrows, my eyebrow routine, how I do my eyebrows at home. So it's been about 2 months since I've done my eyebrows. I've actually let them grow out a little bit. Excuse everything else going on in my face, especially this here, the elephant in the room. Just a quick tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. I used to get them waxed and then I used to get them threaded, and now I'm back to just doing them myself. So since it's been 2 months since I've actually done my eyebrows, today I'm going to be using one set of these razors. I got these from Marshall's for $4.99. You can get one from the beauty supply store, Dollar Tree. You can get them in packs on Amazon. You can find these things pretty much anywhere. So I only use these when I haven't done my eyebrows in a while. If I am doing like maintenance in between, I will just pluck them with a good old pair of tweezers. The best tweezers are to use are the ones that are new and sharp, and ones that aren't so dull. I got these tweezers. They're double-ended tweezers. Here is the pointy end, and then this is the slanted end. I normally just use the slanted end. I use the pointy end if a hair has broken off and I really need to grip it. I will then use the slanted because it gives a better grip to, at least with these, because I've worn these out. If you can see, like the tip of these are really worn. I got this in a Boxycharm a few months ago, actually some months ago, and these have been my favorite. I cannot find them anywhere. The name is F.A.R.A.H something, but the wording under here has worn out. That's how much I have been using these things. Another pair here just in case that I got in another set. I have some alcohol that I use to clean my tweezers. So anytime that you're using your tweezers, make sure that you clean them, disinfect them before and after use. I not only use tweezers for my eyebrows, but I use them for whiteheads, blackheads, ingrown hairs. I use them for everything. I have a pack of cleansing wipes just to cleanse my face before I do my eyebrows, or cleanse my eyebrows. We ain't gotta go to that deep. Or really, I'm probably just going to end up using this just to clean my eyebrows. So this is the Dickinson's Witch Hazel, the hydrating toner, alcohol free with Rosewater, and this moisturizes, soothes skin, has nourishing hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to soften, condition, and gently remove impurities without over drying. So I use this daily, as you say, use daily. I used to use just the regular one. I think it comes more in the background is like a yellow. This one is the hydrating one. And now that I am in my 30s, I will be 34. And I noticed that my skin needs more hydration, more hyaluronic acid and things of that nature. So I highly recommend this. This is my second bottle. It lasts a pretty good while, and yeah, I just highly recommend this one. Like the original one is good, but I heard this one is better, and anything with rose is actually good for your skin as well. Let's get into how I get these brows done.
Ryan Little. little.
And here is the final result of my eyebrows. It doesn't look like a big difference, but once I do my makeup and all that stuff like that, you will be able to tell that my eyebrows are done. But under here, it doesn't look as dark as it was. You would see in the video, I shaved around here because I do have hair that grows around this side of my face, as well as down here. I have a little hair that grows, but this is the final result, and this is how I like to do my brows. My brows are not sparse whatsoever. I have sparse little areas from, you know, over time just doing my eyebrows for so long. But as this is my favorite eyebrow here, you will see that in the video where I'm pointing, like, I like this one. This one, you know, she's good, but this one has all of my eyebrow love. So remember that your brows are sisters or cousins, but they're not twins, at least not identical. So thank you for watching my channel. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at mfn_Erika. That's Erika with a K, Erika. And be sure to come back and see my future videos. Until next time, remember, be selfish. Until next time, remember, be unapologetically selfish in the pursuit of happiness. Peace and love. I don't even remember how I end the videos. So until next time, peace and happiness. Bye, guys.